He uri no te aroa, kua hoki wai tapu mai ki te whakataetai Poitūkohu Māori o te motu.
Yeah, it's special, representing our iwi. Yeah, it's a different type of basketball over here compared to Australia. So yeah, I love it.
It's been good, meeting a new team, playing under a new coach. Yeah, it's been good playing here.
Kei ahi te reiri a rāua tai e tākoro Poitūkohu ana, mā te kapa Kingston Kings, he oi anō i tēnei wiki kua whanake rāua te kapa te kaumā iwa tau o te Arawa.
It's a bit rougher here, but that's good. It makes us stronger, and they do let a couple of fouls go by, but that just makes us stronger.
My specialty would be like pushing the pace, getting downhill, kick outs, finishing at the rim, yeah, and playing like high intensity defence.
My specialty would be probably my shooting and passing, and yeah, getting up on defence, being a pretty good defender.
I would love New Zealand age group coaches under 19s to see them, because they've got great skills. They teach them the game, they can shoot, they can move, and they have a drive to win.
Ono i rā whāpūtū te tāroa o nei paupau, te kaumātoru te rahi o Ngā Hu, ahakoa i whānau rāua i Hobart, he tānga manawa te tūhono anō ki tō rāua ahurea.
Being back in Te Arawa, it's been special seeing the whānau that I haven't seen since probably 10 years. So yeah, learning more about our culture.
Yeah, 100%, and we'll just feel more at home, we'll feel more like a part of the Māori tournament. Just to be able to speak it. But yeah, I'm keen as to learn it and stuff.
Ko ngā māhanga no te whānau Clark, tūhaurangi, Ngāti Wāheo, Ngāti Rangi Wewehi. Kaku mōhio ki a rāua, tētahi i haere tēnei tau ki te whakataetai a motu Moahi Teia, whakakanohi ana i a Tasmania, me tana māhanga he reserve taua tīma. He tō rāua.
Me te aha, ka hori hoki he tūā papa whakawhanakitanga i tuātu e te whakataetai Māori.
And what I love about this tournament, some of the big schools are a lot of the focal point of basketball in New Zealand. So what happens to our Māori kura? And where do those kids play? And there are some good players in there, but they don't have the player base around them for their schools to be right up there necessarily. This is another pathway for those ones.
Playing basketball, that's all I want, no matter where it is. Yeah. It'd be special if we could do it here.
Yeah, same as him, just be able to make a living off basketball. Yeah, playing the sport I love.
Me te mana ko anō hoki, ka eke te tihi o te whakataetai hei tēnei rāhoroi. He roni waikato, Aukaha.